I had to start the beam over again and hope I'm getting it. It's going all the way down to the Deepwater Horizon, or toward it, looks like where it would have been. What in the hell? Ouch. Mosquitoes, gnats are getting me. But I must try. I'm going to have to keep moving it because I don't know where it is. Look at that. You can still see a little bit where it goes down, but not nearly as much. It's bright over there, but it's going away in front of this cloud. Now it's going all the way down over there somewhere. Where, I don't know. I know, Sabrina. Ouch. It's starting to rain. Move, Sabrina! Sorry. You gotta stay up from under my feet. And it's starting to sprinkle. Lord, help me aim it. I see it coming down just a little bit toward the Deepwater Horizon. I gotta go in and